Just a simple recipe that will melt your fats in few days without workout. Watch careful until the end of this video to understand what to do. Peel a piece of raw ginger and cut it into small pieces. Take a raw carrot, remove the outer layer and slice into pieces. Now take a raw lemon and peel. Slice the peels into small pieces. Now add 500 milliliters of warm water and blend these ingredients together. Drain the juice after blending. The taste of this juice is somehow strange. You can add some honey to make it better. Take a drink of 1 glass twice a day for 7 days. The very secret recipe for weight loss.